The possible death of the Galaxy Note series has left a lot of fans very much sad because they have grown to enjoy the features provided by the Galaxy Note series, and a lot of you have been wondering about what the future beholds for the Galaxy Note series. And well guys, spoiler alert, but pull out a couple of tissues because you might be crying a little, but there still is a bright spot at the end of this tunnel after all. And before we do that, hello guys, how are you? I'm really fine, and if you're enjoying what we do here, subscribing to the channel would mean the world to me. So first things first, let's pull out the bandage real quick.
It's like ripping off this band-aid, quick and painless, watch. Oh, mother of
It's highly unlikely that we will get to see the usual Galaxy Note series this year. Note usually launches 6 months after the Galaxy S, and we have gone through more than a month without even getting a code name, without even getting a slight hint that Samsung is even working on the Galaxy Note series. So we have less than 5 months left when the Galaxy Note is expected to be announced, and we don't even have at least the model number or the slightest hint that Samsung is at least working on the phone. And if in the upcoming weeks, at max a month, we don't get any hint, you guys should start the official preparation for the funeral of the Galaxy Note series. However, iSuniverse today posted out this tweet saying that if your budget can only buy a Fold phone, I suggest you to wait for the Fold 3. The meaning of the Fold 3 is not just Fold, it's also the Note. It's also the collection of the most cutting edge technologies. That is how I assume Chinese people speak like. So it's also the Note. That line in particular caught my eye because what makes a Note is the pen, and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 most likely will feature the pen inside the body. This tweet also suggests that the Fold 3 might be a bit cheaper than the Galaxy Fold 2 because the foldable tech has matured enough that we can now start to see the slight decline in prices of the folding phones. And one more awesome piece of technology which is likely going to debut with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the in-display camera. World's first usable under-display camera smartphone, and iSuniverse hinted at this as well. And also guys, both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, yes, it will be called the Z Flip 3, skipping the number 2 because if they call it the Z Flip 2, you might subconsciously think that 2 is worse than 3. So yeah, they are gonna call both of them the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So both of the Z Fold 3 and the Flip 3 are expected to be announced near around the June-July time frame. And like I already mentioned, the Fold is already expected to come with a pen inside the phone. So to not make the lineup absolutely crowded and confusing, there likely won't be a Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. Still, there is probably going to be a Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition because the other Samsung pen sporting devices, the S21 Ultra and the Z Fold 3, are flagship expensive phones. So that's why the Galaxy Note 21 FE will be there for the buyers who want the pen experience but at affordable price tag. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 becoming the new Note. I mean, it's not the ideal solution for everyone, but should be good enough for the majority of the buyers if the Galaxy Z Fold actually gets a little bit cheaper. If there is however still a Galaxy Note 21 Ultra coming, I will be the first one to tell you guys about it, so to not miss out on that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button guys for the Galaxy Note and the Fold series. Please follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.